Okay, how are you everyone? You see this game is called Imbata. This is some guys to play between 1 and 2. You see the white game and the black game. Let me show you how to make the goals. You see the white game and another game. If you have 3 games, if you have the 3 games in the ground, already win. You see, the first goal is this one game, another game is this, another game is this. Already is a goal. Okay, and then you take 1 games in, already win. You see, there's some guys already is continue to play the game. You see, there's some guys is the fans. This one, look here. Already, you see, this is the fans. This is the someone plays. The first player is this. The another player is this. Look here, look here. The first player is this. Look here and look here. Another player is this. This is the girls and the fans the game. Thank you everyone.